How to fade from color to black in Camtasia Studio 2022. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me so you don't miss any part of the video. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let me show you now how you can fade this video from a very colorful and bright video to black. It's very easy, so let's jump right into the video. Now please tab on more right here and go to animations and then zoom and pan. We go to animations, no zoom and pad, so go to animations, and here you need to grab it, this custom, grab it and drag it on your video. And here we have this arrow and also this red dot, and it's very important because what you do right now, this will add up to this circle, to this effect. So now if we go to modify, we can go to modify, add effect, visual effect, and then go to color adjustment. Now if you drag the saturation down and the brightness, and you'll bring this to bright, see now what happened, like from black to colorful, or as I said before, you can go from colorful to black. So it's very easy. Now let me set this colorful, contrast, a little bit of contrast down, and the brightness, it's now very bright now and very colorful. So you can make this black, fading black, drag this custom on your video, and now drag this down. So now let's see, from color full, as I was saying, this is going black. If you want to be very fast, if you want to make this transition very fast, just make this very short or very long. Okay, short, it's very fast, going black. So I hope you understand, guys. So when you add this custom on this video, you'll see this arrow and also this dot. So that means that you can add something customizable, that you can customize whatever you want. So if you can see now I selected the contrast, we'll add this contrast as well in the saturation, whatever I want, and I can delete this, can do something different, like maybe I want the brightness to go down. So you can play with custom. This custom, you can do a lot of stuff. Instead of bright, very weird, kind of, see, whatever I do, it will follow my the things that I did to this video. It will follow everything I do when I have selected this, when I have added this custom effect or animation. Okay, so I hope you understand what you do to go from colorful, bright video to a very black video. I hope you understand how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.